Greetings, it's Monday, March 18th, 2024, and it's part 34. We completed the artwork as I added several things yesterday on Sunday. This child's plastic toy, like a monster or something, which I found on the sidewalk. This like wood paintbrush handle, which I also found like on a sidewalk or I don't know, in some grass. And I added these four child's I don't know, game thingies, which were also added in at least one of the sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art Series artwork. All right, two children, a Jewish Israeli girl slain October 7th. A Gazan boy slain in the Israeli retaliation in Gaza. Ongoing now since October, November, December, January, February, on to March now. Allegorical sea war monsters. Child victims of adult-driven wars are the largest victims numerically of wars around the world, according to a New York Times article I remember reading some years ago. I just noticed this frowning, like mustached person there. All right, photograph I took on a road trip from Tel Aviv to the Dead Sea. And, seaweed I picked up on a swim in the Mediterranean by Tel Aviv. And these broken pavement thingies meant to allegorically represent like voracious lobster claws. Lobster is not permitted both in kashrut and halal cooking by the observant communities of Jewish and Muslim faith. All right, there you have it. C'est fini. It is now completely finished. Thanks for watching.